What's up, y'all? It's Kiki and
me
and him, and we're Team Reese Travels, and today we are getting ready to clean out my truck. Yeah, so you guys really seem to like the last clean with me vlog that I posted while I was cleaning up the kitchen and stuff. And so today I figured I need to clean my truck out anyway. Why not just flip the camera on so you guys can hang out with us while we do it? So I'm getting ready to start cleaning out the truck. Raymel is trying to disappear, but he's definitely staying to help me temporarily because he does have to go pick up RJ from gymnastics. Yes, you are? Oh, well, fine then. You clean the truck and I'll go.
I'm perfectly fine with that.
Okay, so we get ready to start cleaning the truck. One of us will be going to pick up RJ while the other one cleans. And then it's a smudge on the camera. Ugh. Need to clean that lens. But yeah, let me show y'all what the truck looks like right now. Hold on. Yeah, y'all. It's kind of a mess. Kind of live and work out of this truck a little bit. So, yeah, see all that stuff on the floor. Door jams. I mean, this stuff everywhere. Back seat. This is where RJ sits. So it's all kind of stuff here. Clothes, jackets. Everything, y'all, hair, you know, don't judge me. Man, that's what the trunk looks like. Alright, Ray's opening up the bag now. Yeah,
that's not my hair though.
That is what the trunk looks like. That's not Ray's hair.
That's not
Thank
my
you
hair.
for
Definitely
clarifying.
not my hair.
But yeah, lots to do, lots to clean, and that's it. We're getting ready to clean. We don't want to, but we have to. So here we go. Whenever I have to clean out the truck, I always bring a laundry basket to put clothes in that I come across. And of course, a garbage bag, because the car is always gonna have garbage. And I usually bring some kind of bag to put like knickknacks and stuff in that need to go back in the house. So I have this Shein bag. Like, I don't know about y'all, but I always save these Shein bags because, I mean, they're great for holding stuff. So, like, I just found this purse strap and a phone charger that can go in my bag for the house.
the things we've gathered, the bigger items that won't be thrown away. But as you can see, if you look down, makeshift light, the car on the inside doesn't look anything like it did. All that stuff that was down there on RJ's floor, the big stuff, like I said earlier, we were going to vacuum out the truck and get all that popcorn and chips and french fries and popcorn and chips and candy. Well, it ain't so much candy. RJ don't like candy. Does not like candy, which is good. Except for Twizzlers. He's my Twizzlers pulling pill, but that's a whole nother subject. Anyways, we're going to get all this stuff vacuumed up. All that there, all that right there. Just stuff you can see. Well, it's not terribly dirty. I used to detail cars, and there was a car I did one day, and that mug was just, I was like, what in the world is going on here? So it looks nothing like that. It was just life of a vehicle, life of a vehicle of a family with a 7-year-old that's active, and we all eat in the vehicle. This is not one of those vehicles where you better not eat in my car. So you kind of take you guys on around, see. We love this Ford Explorer. If you guys are ever looking for a good vehicle SUV, the Ford Explorer is great. These seats fold all the way down and fold all the way up. It's crazy, but we won't get into that. But that's the vehicle. And hey, guess what, guys? I'll give you a preview of the neighborhood. That's enough. Bye.
So guys, one thing we didn't get to show because it got dark outside was that Ray actually took the truck and got it vacuumed out really well, got all of the crumbs and everything off of the floor, out of the door jambs, cleaned up everything really good, and got it all sparkly and looking new and nice. So I hope that you enjoyed this clean with me video, and if you did, go ahead and hit the like button and the subscribe button. Until the next time, Team Reese all day.